To blink an LED, you might need an Arduino Uno, an LED, and a resistor. To connect the LED to the Arduino Uno, first you need to take the LED and connect its cathode to the resistor. I suggest you to use a 220 ohms resistor and connect the terminal 1, which is the other end of the resistor, to the ground. Next, connect the anode of the LED to any digital pins from 2 to 13. Let me take 2. After this, now let's code it up with the language C++. To code it up in the Arduino language, which is C++, in the white setup, we need to define which pin is the LED. So you need to put pin mode and make sure your pin is under small and the M is captured. Otherwise, it will not work. A bracket, then say where your LED is connected. For me, it's 2. So 2, comma, and say it's an output or an input. LED is an output because it emits light. So we need to put an output with capital letters. After that, put an closing bracket and decimal. This is important. The while loop where it will loop forever, we need to put digitalWrite. As I said, the first word is small and the W is capital. DigitalWrite. So first, let's put hi, like this. Then put a bracket and decimal again. Now you want to delay it. So delay. Let's put 1000. This is 1000 microseconds. So 1000 microseconds is equal to 1 second. If you need 2 seconds, you can put 2000. So after we put it, copy it and paste it like that again. And make sure your digital right is at the front, like this. So it want to do at the end like this. Then put it low because it need to blink. And this is of course. You need to put it like this. Then make sure it's like this. All the words inside it are capital. Output is capital, high and low. They're all capital. And the pin mode is defining which pin I connected. Digital write means it will write whether it's high or low. So only the Arduino has digital pins. Don't forget to add the symbol in front of delay also. And now let's run it. And it's running fine. So let's see the output. And see here, the LED is blinking very well. Like this, you can make your own LED blinking. And thanks for watching.